Weird trees you didn't know about and how to use them. First on our list is the hackberry. This peculiar tree from the eastern US has some of the most poorly known fruits that can be eaten. They're small, about this big. They taste like dates when you eat them, and the nut inside is crunchy and tastes like peanuts. This tree grows very fast and has some of the hardest wood of any tree in America, and it's very popular in landscaping, but no one really knows what it is when they look at it. Keep an eye out on our Etsy shop because we have a lot of them. The second tree on our list is the black walnut. Although it sounds familiar, it's not the nuts that we buy at the grocery store. This is a very tall tree with hardwood and long leaves that grows in eastern and central North America. It can live to be 150 years old, and the nuts are delicious, but you have to crack through a thick hull first to get to them. These nuts are usually ready in October or November, and they can be enjoyed on bread, granola bars, or just raw. Here is a good sized young one. So this is a 30 or 40-year-old black walnut. It's growing in a moist forest, and it's about 50 feet tall. Now we have the Chola cactus. This is less of a tree and more of a tree-sized succulent, but it is the terror of the West. The jumping cholla, as it is known in Arizona, can literally throw spiky branches at people and animals that shake the ground around it, releasing tension in the tense branches. Finally, we have the Bunya pine, a giant conifer from Australia. This tree is the proof that in Australia, everything can kill you, even the trees. The pine cones can be as big as watermelons, and they're the heaviest cones of any conifer on Earth. They're a serious danger in the country when you're walking in the forest, but they're a very well-known delicacy because their nuts are enormous, the largest pine nuts on Earth, and they can be used in granola bars, pies, and bread.